tell you how you should do doffing of PPE. Disinfect hands wearing gloves by following hand hygiene. Sit on designated dirty chair. Remove shoe covers by touching outer surface and discard in yellow bin. After removing shoe covers, perform hand hygiene. Remove outer gloves and discard in yellow bin. And perform hand hygiene. Remove gown without touching the outer surface. You have to remove gown in such a way that outer surface should be enrolled, and this is to be discarded in yellow bin. You can see the enrolling is being done so that outer surface is not touched by healthcare worker. It is discarded in yellow bin. Now perform hand hygiene. Remove face shield by touching the straps. Discard in yellow bin. As per guidelines, all the plastic things are discarded in red bin, but here as a KGMU policy, in the COVID season, we are discarding all the substances in yellow bin. Perform hand hygiene. Remove eye shield. Eye shield is to be removed by holding the straps and throw in yellow bin. Again, as per standard protocol, this is to be discarded in red bin, but in KGMU, in COVID season, we are discarding all the substances in yellow bin. And perform hand hygiene. Remove cap and discard in yellow bin. Perform hand hygiene. Remove inner gloves and discard in yellow bin. After removing gloves and discarding, perform hand hygiene. Wear another pair of gloves. Remove mask. You have to remove mask by holding the straps. The lower strap is removed first, then upper strap. Holding upper strap, you will discard mask in yellow bin. As per current policy, this mask can be reused after 4 days. So, in good centers, 4 masks are issued to healthcare worker so that the healthcare worker can use new mask daily up to 4 days. Then on 5th day, the first day mask can be reused after proper sanitization and disinfection. Perform hand hygiene. Sit over clean chair and clean your shoes with alcohol swab. This swab is to be discarded in yellow bin. Remove last pair of gloves and perform hand hygiene. These gloves are to be discarded in yellow bin.
Now you must have understood the various steps of donning and doffing of PPE kit.